Warning that the Moderna vaccine can cause allergic reactions for those people who've had cosmetic facial fillers, but that doesn't mean they shouldn't be vaccinated, especially if you happen to be one of them.
Western Mass News reporter Sabrina Riley is getting answers for us on the best way to protect yourself.
Throughout the pandemic, there has been a huge demand for one cosmetic procedure in particular: cosmetic facial fillers.
The injectable market has really exploded since the pandemic, just because people are looking at their face all day long, whether you do Zoom or FaceTime.
Which is why it's important to note that in Moderna's 3-month clinical trial of the COVID-19 vaccine, 3 patients reported allergic reactions in relation to their recent facial fillers.
So any filler patient, we tell them, listen, it might be a coincidence, only 3 cases out of 30,000, but that's what the data has showed up to now.
Speaking to Western Mass News via Zoom, oral and maxillofacial surgeon Dr. Eli Fernini says he is warning his patients to be aware of this risk if getting the Moderna vaccine and to exercise caution.
If you're planning on getting vaccinated next week or the week after, I would hold on getting any filler procedure done until you get vaccinated and wait a couple of weeks.
He says the main reason for the allergic reaction is due to the vaccine impacting your immune system.
The vaccine technology, when you get vaccinated, it all hypes up your immune system, and anytime your immune system is revved up, it attacks anything which is for it. So facial fillers, although they're very biocompatible and we've been used for a long, long time, and they're safe and predictable, they're still a foreign body.
But Dr. Fernini made it very clear that if you do have facial fillers, you do not need to be concerned or afraid of getting the vaccine.
And since the reactions was minor, I would still recommend people to have fillers and obviously get the vaccine. They were treated just with local measures, with antihistamines and just anti-inflammatory agents, and the problem was resolved.
But if you're still concerned,
maybe go to the Pfizer versus the Moderna vaccine, just because in the Pfizer trial there were no immune response to the filler material. Remember, both trials are still on trial. It's only been, Moderna vaccine study has only been studied for 3 months. So it's all recent data. So it's going to take us a while to know the exact outcomes.
For Western Mass News, I'm Sabrina Riley.